Hello. In this video, let's learn about how business and app settings work.
You can configure few parameters from mobile app and have many more configuration options on web portal. For better experience, please create inspection form from web portal. Log in to heavyvehicleinspection.com. On top right, click on Web Portal Login. Click on Account. Click on Settings. Here, you can configure all settings related to inspection, work order, and fuel logging. In inspection, you can enable or disable geolocations. For your inspection, you also have the option to make not and image mandatory when any faults are found by disabling this parameter. For work order, you can define default tax rate and other parameters as per your process. You have option to add custom input fields. You can include them in your inspection or work order. From notification section, you can add users whom you want to send notification. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us from Help and Support section.